Hey everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix blurry photos, stories, or reels on Instagram. If you're interested in Instagram marketing, growing your account, and making money from Instagram, check out our free Instagram resources and newsletter below. But now let's see how to fix blurry photos, stories, or reels. Go to your profile and open Settings. Scroll down until you find Data Usage and Media Quality. Here, if the data saver option is on, your post might show up at a lower quality, so make sure that this option is off. Also, make sure to toggle on upload at the highest quality. This way you should be able to fix blurry photos, stories, or reels on Instagram.
I hope you found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to check out our Make Money with Instagram checklist for free, or the Instagram Growth Checklist, other Instagram marketing resources and deals. Also, we have a free weekly Instagram marketing newsletter for which you can sign up below. And last but not least, if this tutorial was not up to date, make sure to check out our more detailed and updated tutorial blog post as well, which you can also find in the video description below.